Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today I got a nice, awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. And this one is definitely worth this wait and go. No, this is not a free one, but listen, check it out in the Gear Manager store. You just might like the price. All right, with that being said, let's check this one out. The name of the watch face is called RDS30. I thought my man did a really good job on this watch face. Now in the AOD mode, you're gonna get the same thing for the most part, same info. You're gonna get a different background, which is pretty much black. Once the watch face is on, I like the look of this. This is definitely a unique watch face, but I love it because all the information is very legible. I like the big bold digital time in the middle. You're gonna get your date up at the top, day of the week. You're gonna also come down and you're gonna get your step information, right? Which I like. Check this out. You got your heart rate and it's gonna give you the little animation of your heart rate as well. I like that. And for your steps, you're gonna get this little man here he's walking. He's casually walking, but it looks awesome. I love animation, and you get your floors climb right here. So I thought that was a good look for a watch face. But what's nice about this watch face is that everything is interactive. So if you tap on all the different icons, you will be able to pull up your information so far as your step status is concerned. So for those of you all who are into steps, then you're going to be good with this watch face. Now up at the top, of course, you can tap on the date and you pull up your calendar. So you're going to get everything that you need out of this watch face so far as step status is concerned, your digital time. But check this out. Double tap and I can change the background theme to many, and I stress many different backgrounds. Let's check it out. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. You got so many to choose from. And again, the developer got down. I'm giving them 3 thumbs up in the door. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.